The night shop project, my favorite. Looks like the unicorn bubble wand has gave up the fight. I tried batteries, that was not successful, and I got one a heck of an angry 5-year-old that wants this thing working. I have no idea where it came from. I'm guessing somebody decided it was a great idea. I can almost guarantee you that it's straight from where I hate, and now it's my duty to see if I can't get it going again.
Well, there she is. That is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that impressive switch there. There's some very good soldering. The wires are good and thick. Oh, this is just hanging there. I've never taken apart anything. There's just a circuit board lying in there. What junk. Alright. See what we can figure out.
Alright, check number 1. Voltage on the batteries. 4.5 volts, so we got power there. Check 2, is the switch working? I don't know, check number 2, I don't know if you can see this, but I pulled this switch out because it was getting screwy continuity and I could see this green stuff. That's never a good sign of anything. I mean, it makes complete sense why it would be like green. I mean, you got a bubble machine and kids. I don't know why they thought. You just give her the old bypass there and it works like $1 million again. Okay, well, I don't have anything to put in here for a switch other than this, and size-wise, this isn't really realistic. Durability, that would have been awesome. This is the only other switch I have, and I couldn't tell you what it came out of, but I think we'll put this in here, see if that works. Oh, my wire stripper doesn't go down small enough to strip this wire. This is ridiculous. It's like 3 strands of copper. Yeah, not like that. There you go. I think Cooper likes it more than anyone. She definitely didn't marry me for my hot body.